Dogecoin is exponentially grown. It is now going through a breakout. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to InvestDesk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. And my name is Syed, and we are going to take a look at in this live stream Dogecoin developer update, Dogecoin Coinbase update, see what's going on. Amazing, exciting news coming up for Dogecoin specifically, and we are going to talk about it. And I'm going to show you exactly where Dogecoin is going to be at tomorrow. So hold tight, hold on to your horses, and we are going to talk about the Dogecoin developer update, Dogecoin Coinbase listing, and we know that Coinbase is going public. That's exactly what we know. So let me go ahead and first, while I'm talking to you guys, I'm going to set up my chat, of course. Say, hey, welcome back to InvestDesk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecasts. So welcome, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. We're going to talk about some exciting news coming in today. Some breaking news, rather, I'd say. Dogecoin, maybe it's going to go to 10 cents, but I'm going to show you why and how, right? Of course, you know me, I always reason things out, right? So I'm not too much of a speculator, guys, right? You know me by now. So yes, thanks for being here. It's nice to see you guys. We're going to talk about Dogecoin, right? This is super exciting. And it has been a crazy week so far, in the last weekend too. It's just like amazing how the entire crypto space is shaping itself, and with all these altcoins, with all these cryptocurrencies and all these tokens and coins and whatnot, it's just crazy. And like I always say, guys, you know that, right? Crypto is a crazy world. So Dogecoin developer update, I'm going to talk about that. What is Patrick, lead Dogecoin developer, is up to? What's going on? Some latest developments on and updates on the Rosetta API for Coinbase, guys. So I think the timing is pretty perfect. So talking about where Dogecoin is to be or about to be listed on Coinbase. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about it. So welcome, by the way, to InvestDesk. This is your channel, guys. So thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support for InvestDesk. We are almost near, 10,000 subscribers? This is just crazy. I don't know. Just as crazy as the crypto world. Getting 10,000 subscribers on InvestDesk is also crazy. No, I'm super humbled. Thank you so much for your love and support for InvestDesk. My goal is to bring you the latest research, news updates, technical analysis. And those of you who do not know me, my name is Syed. I have a degree in finance and, of course, a PhD. But I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. So keep that in mind. Of course, crypto is a crazy world. But our portfolio right here on InvestDesk, and you guys know this, right? We do run our numbers every week. And we are in profit, especially with Dogecoin, especially with SafeMoon. We have a couple of cryptos, and I may be adding more, hopefully in the next few days. So we're going to be talking about some dev update right after this. So I'm going to, take a deep dive into what is Coinbase and what is the IPO is going to, do to Dogecoin and the entire crypto space and what's going on. So some exciting news, and more importantly, the developer update, right? So that's relevant to our Dogecoin, and this is going to drive Dogecoin to 10 cents because it's already at 8.2 cents. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Doge is already at 8.2 cents. So those of you who've been with me for 2 months, every single day, streaming live every single day, talking about Dogecoin almost every single day, you know that we started our journey with Dogecoin right here investing on InvestDesk, your number one channel, of course. We started with an average price of 0.0, maybe 48, 46, something around there, right? That was our purchase, and of course it's 8.2 cents. So not bad at all. But it's gonna continue to climb up, guys. So make sure you say hello to my Shiba Inu right here. This is my Shiba Inu up here, right? And of course, when Dogecoin hits $1, I may end up with a real Shiba Inu. Yeah. So check it out. Say hello. Well, anyways, all right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for being on InvestDesk. Please subscribe and, of course, smash that like button while you're here. It's somewhere here on your screen, right? and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. So let's dive right into taking a look at the chart first, and then I'll give you the developer updates and of course the status on Coinbase as well. So stay here, check out the intro, and I'm going to dive to the charts. All right, so super exciting. Doge to 9 cents. You gotta be kidding me, guys. This is super awesome, isn't it, right? Dogecoin to 9 cents. I think it just broke its own record. Yes, this is 9 cents. You bet, 9 cents it is. Congratulations, by the way. Awesome. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Welcome, Haril, Kenny, Fabulous. You guys are making history right here, right now by looking at Doge chart at 9 cents. Martin, welcome. Salahuddin, welcome. Thanks so much. And Salahuddin says, I'm Syed, I'm new to your channel. Is this the right time to buy Dogecoin? We're going to be talking about this. Not to worry in this live stream. And if you're new, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys. That is super appreciated. Welcome, Saima. Welcome. I never took Doge seriously. Well, hey, we took Doge seriously way early on, right? When everyone was saying, well, it is just a joke, it is just a meme token, it's not gonna go anywhere, right? So hey, welcome to InvestDesk, your #1 channel. So welcome, Joe, Ahmad, welcome. Marvin, Juice95, Daniel, Free, awesome. Thanks, buddy, for tuning in. Craig, hey, welcome back, buddy. You've been with me for a long time on this channel, so awesome. Thanks so much. I will check out all these new tokens, all these new coins, Craig. Certainly, I try to make a note. Yes, thank you so much for being on this channel. Welcome, Alan, Angel, Jose, Harold. Awesome. This is awesome, guys. Thank you for being here. Doge, 9 cents, and this is the highest Dogecoin has ever been, and this is so exciting. And guess what? 10 cents. That seemed a huge milestone just 2 months ago. Check it out, guys. We're at 9 cents. So hey, good morning, Joseph. Thanks so much, buddy, for tuning in. I think it's just gonna go to 10 cents right here live as we're streaming, guys. So just like I said yesterday or day before, I'm gonna be here streaming live until it hit 10 cents, right? And remember, at 10 cents, you know what, guys, I didn't bring my party hat. If you guys have some party hat, make sure you wear them when it goes and hits 10 cents, because we've been trying for Dogecoin to hit 10 cents. Well, I mean, we can't try, right? But hey, you know what I mean. We believe in Dogecoin. That's what we did. That's a better word, right? For the last 2 months. So super, this is absolutely awesome, super exciting. Dogecoin to the moon. So this is the live chart that you're looking at. And let me show you the trading view here. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Look at the momentum indicator at the bottom, and this is our chart. A couple of days ago when I did, or yesterday, I believe also, and day before, because I stream every day, we had Doge setting a floor at 7 cents. And it did. It was successful in maintaining a sideways consolidation, little pullback, so it wasn't too much. But the reason why, guys, this is important. The reason why Doge is going up is, of course, there is going to be Coinbase IPO tomorrow. Yes, Coinbase, which is a crypto exchange, is going public tomorrow. Not bad. Well, what does this have to do with Dogecoin? Because Dogecoin is not on Coinbase yet. But I'm going to give you the developer update for Coinbase, as Dogecoin is going to be listed on Coinbase as well. So, and of course, some other news. Check out, I have some important tabs open, guys, here. Very important. So this is super exciting. Dogecoin definitely climbing up. It's going to hit 10 cents, guys. It's going to hit 10 cents. It will hit 10. That's how it is. We've been at it for a couple of months. It was 5 cents, it was 5.2 cents, and it was just there at 5.5 cents. And we were just thinking, well, Dogecoin is it's not going to go anywhere. Well, guess what? Today, right here, same very channel, your very own channel, we are looking at Dogecoin going to the moon, which is, of course, the milestone 10 cents, guys. And it'll be nice to see Dogecoin hitting 10 cents. And this is going to be super, super exciting. Let me see if I can bring up, yeah, there we go, perfect. I was wondering where I was on the webcam, so now you guys can also see me while I look at the chart. And I'm gonna, just be here till I hit 10 cents, guys. That's it. We love Dogecoin, and InvestDesk. This channel loves Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin. You know that. Go check out my videos every single day for the last over 2 months, right? It's just about Dogecoin. And of course, recently we added SafeMoon, of course, to our portfolio. And I do that too. All right, so now let me get to the exciting part. Let me tell you the actual, I'm going to show you a small video, the Yahoo Finance video, all right? And this is very, very related to Coinbase IPO, because much of the crypto going up, Bitcoin is at 62,000. Check it out, guys. Bitcoin at 62,000. Unbelievable. So this is also going to go. So Ethereum is up, Bitcoin is up, everything is going up. Why? Because Coinbase, of course, is going public, and which is super exciting. And hopefully all these prices are going to be maintaining themselves at a new floor. And Craig Andrus, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you for your super chat, super sticker. Thank you for showing your support for InvestDesk. And yes, Elon has a crypto tweet coming on 420. Wonder what? Yes, Elon is backing Dogecoin up. And like I always say, I've always said it, by the way. Thanks for reminding based on your super chat here, Craig. I'm gonna tell you guys one more time, and I do it every single time I stream, guys. It is just my opinion, of course, that Dogecoin is going to be on Coinbase. Once it gets listed on Coinbase, Elon Musk is going to buy Dogecoin. I don't know. This is just my, whatever you want to call it, right? This is my deduction, right? This is my reasoning. I don't know. But if he does, and CoinFlip ATMs already accept Dogecoin, and those ATMs are going to be in Tesla stores, check it out. All these cards, all these pieces of puzzle are going to be coming together, and that is when Doge is going to hit, I don't know, maybe $1. I don't know, man. This is crazy. So 9.1 cents for Dogecoin. I'm going to be right here on this channel, guys, till we hit 10 cents. Odinga, Mobutu, hey, InvestDesk. Great day to the moon. You bet. It's certainly a great afternoon here, and of course, wherever you are, perfect, awesome. This is just crazy. And I was just thinking that, this will be so exciting that if we hit 10 cents, and I'm just streaming live, right? Which I do every day, of course. But it'll be super, super exciting. And that's exactly it. So all of you guys are going to make history if it actually goes to 10 cents. I don't know if it's 9.1 cents. We still made history, guys. This is the highest Dogecoin has been since a long time. Well, in fact, ever. Yeah, that's just crazy. So this is history. All right. So I'm going to show you some exciting, I was going to show you the Coinbase impact, right? The Coinbase impact on cryptocurrency, which definitely is having an impact on Dogecoin as well and other cryptocurrencies. But this is important. Check it out. I'm going to play this so you can see. And let me go ahead and mute this music quickly, or just make it a little lower so you can see this better. Here's what I want to show you. This is the Coinbase IPO will be huge. It is going to be huge for all cryptos across the industry within the crypto space. And check it out. I'm going to play this. It's about 5 or 6 minutes, but it's very important updates. All right, so here
it is shaping up to be a very busy IPO week. The big one on deck, though, Coinbase going public this Wednesday through a direct listing. Let's bring in Duncan Davidson, Bullpen Capital founder and general partner. Duncan, a lot of IPOs to get through too, but let's talk about Coinbase first, because we were talking about this, Zach and I were talking about this earlier. This is kind of a bellwether, if you will, for how investor appetite is going to look when it comes to cryptocurrencies. How are you looking at this IPO shaping up, and what are the expectations?
It's going to be huge. Understand Coinbase is an anomaly. Although it's sort of a banking type of entity, it has become the Facebook or Google of crypto. It is so dominant. The question is, how did Goldman Sachs let this happen? Coinbase is an amazing opportunity. It's churning out lots of cash, which is why it's going out as a direct listing. It's a perfect direct listing candidate. It doesn't need to raise money. It's a cash engine right now.
Yeah, Duncan, I mean, you've been through this a few times, right? So when we talk about IPOs, whether or not it's an investor or bringing companies to market yourself, talk to me about what you've seen so far to start the year, because we saw a lot of companies come out the gates double on day one. Things not necessarily as hot in Q1, but now this week, I mean, there's a lot coming down the pike here this week. So, I mean, where are you putting the temperature check at right now and kind of reinvigorated demand here to kick off Q2?
Well, first of all, we have to recognize that SPACs have eaten the normal IPO market. They are a predominant factor in the market right now. And they slowed down a couple weeks ago. There was a little bit of a chill in the SPAC market. And I don't know if you guys have reported on this yet, but the SEC stepped in late last week and is trying to make the SPAC process more like a normal IPO. I think this is good because, in a way, we're in a race with SPACs to either institutionalize them or have them blow up because of too much excess. And so the SEC stepping in as part of this process to make them more institutionalized. And I think the SPAC market is going to stabilize. It may have to digest the SEC comments, but I think it's going to get revved up again after people incorporate what the SEC is trying to do in this market. But I can go deeper if you'd like.
Well, to what extent do you think that just the scrutiny alone is likely to dampen the SPAC boom that we've seen over the last 4 months?
Well, there's an interesting part of SPACs, which is quite fascinating to me. Normally in an IPO, you can't do a projection. But in private markets, venture capital markets, companies make projections all the time, and we scrutinize them, and they're used to figure out whether the prospects of the company are really good or not. In SPAC world, because the SPAC IPO has no projections, it's a shell, there's no operations, it's not been an issue. But in the de-SPAC process, the process where you do a PIPE to raise private money and then merge the private company into the SPAC, in that situation, people have been putting projections in. And some of these SPACs are trading on 2024 and 2025 numbers. And sometimes you look at the numbers. I know one SPAC, which is doing $4 million in revenue, is predicting $400 million by 2025. Okay, maybe there's a little bit of exaggeration going on in some of these projections. So what the SEC is trying to do is force the company and the banks, in particular the banks, to scrutinize and rationalize these projections. And if you go overseas, other markets like the ASX in Australia, they allow the IPOs to do one-year projections, but the banks are held to a high standard of vetting those projections. And that's part of what's going on right now. I think this is good. I don't think this is a bad thing. You don't want this market to blow up. You want this market to be institutionalized and continue for a long time.
Yeah, Duncan, just to return back to Coinbase, it's kind of funny. We're talking so much about SPACs now. I remember chatting with you, I guess, back in 2019, chatting a lot about direct listings, when Slack went that route and whether or not that would be the new thing. But with Coinbase, I wonder how it might go for you, because we are still talking about maybe a $100 billion valuation there. We talk about that being a company that, of course, hits your kind of check boxes there as being a consumer-facing company that already has a lot of cachet. People know about it. But wonder what this one might do for direct listings in that trend, and also what it might say about just investor interest right now in some of these projects that are like that with quick growth. I mean, 9 times revenue growth after last year. It's pretty impressive.
Well, let's go back a little bit. The reason why I thought direct listings were interesting is that a lot of people in the venture world wanted to bring back the small IPO that we had in the 90s. And in our wisdom, we killed it off. The SPACs have become the preferred way to recreate what used to happen here. Rather than direct listings, they have actually been relatively few, and they haven't been the big phenomenon I'd hoped for. Coinbase, though, is such an interesting company. What people don't really, I think, understand about it is it's a banker's bank. It's a custodian for a lot of the holdings of crypto by big financial institutions and companies like Tesla and even MicroStrategy. And so by being a banker's bank, it's got a really deep and long-term base of people that'll park their crypto. That is an amazing position to be in. And I think the holders of crypto love Coinbase. It has huge cash flow on top of that. I think it's did $1.8 billion in Q1. And a lot of these future fintech companies are being valued at over 30 times revenue in the market. So if you do the math, last year's revenue, $3 billion times 30, this should be about a $90-100 billion market cap company, which sounds amazing, but the cash flow supports that viewpoint and the growth.
Yeah, well, we'll see where it ends up on Wednesday when they start trading. But Duncan Davidson, always love having you on, Bullpen Capital founder and general partner. Thanks again.
All right, super, super exciting. You checked it out. This is awesome. So Coinbase going public tomorrow, which is exactly why it is driving the entire crypto market to the moon, guys. That's exactly what is happening, right? Whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins, and this is awesome. So, and of course, with Coinbase, like you just heard, it's important to understand that this is a banker's bank. So, whether it's Tesla's $1.5 billion buy of Bitcoin on Coinbase, whether it's MicroStrategy's $1 billion plus buy of Bitcoin on Coinbase, the valuation of the Coinbase company is, of course, over $8 billion. That's what the worth of Coinbase is right now. And of course, is going much higher as it goes public. The revenue, $1.8 billion, is just crazy for Coinbase. And another important thing that you probably heard, but it's important to also keep in mind always that these crypto exchanges, guys, or the crypto industry in general, is getting institutionalized, right? Which means it's getting regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission. If you are, of course, in the U.S., and if you are in other parts of the world, you may have your own, regulatory authorities. But within the U.S., for example, it's gone public, and the idea is that it's become institutionalized. So large investors or institutional investors like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, JP Morgan, Grayscale Partners, or whatever, right? They are now coming up with their portfolios, crypto portfolios for their clients. And how cool is that? Who would have known? But with Dogecoin, goal for this internet currency. Doge is people's crypto. Doge is the internet currency. Doge has less than a minute transaction time. You can verify the transaction in less than a minute. It is designed to be an inflationary coin. And we know all of this. I've been covering this for over 2 months, every single day, guys. But today is super exciting. All of you guys made history. So by the way, if you're just tuning in, please subscribe, smash that like button. Appreciate it. And of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is an update. Now, I'm also going to show you the developer update because that is also part of the agenda. You saw the Coinbase IPO, you saw the Coinbase effect, right, on the entire crypto space. But I'm going to show you what are Dogecoin developers doing because that is also important. And that is also very, very important, guys. Remember, Doge to 10 cents. Hopefully just with Coinbase news, Coinbase IPO. And guess what? Once Dogecoin is listed on Coinbase, what do you think? It's not going to be 10 cents. Maybe it's going to be a quarter, maybe half, maybe 50 cents, or even $1. We don't know. But I'm watching closely for you guys because InvestDesk is your number one channel, guys, for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates, and forecast. And what you're looking at here is the Dogecoin chart, which is live, and this is a 1 minute chart, so it's just updating every single minute. Dogecoin is at 9 cents. I repeat, it's at 9 cents, guys, just a little shy from 10 cents, which we've been talking about for the last 2 months, that will it ever hit 10 cents? Well, guess what, guys? It's much closer than you think. So not bad at all, not bad at all. So welcome everybody. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and smash that like button. That would be so cool if you do that. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support for InvestDesk in terms of super chat. So if you want to show your support for InvestDesk, there's super chat and super stickers. That'd be so awesome. All right. So now I'm going to get to the dev update, guys, right? This is the developer update. So, all right, where is it? Right here. Perfect. This is the latest dev update. I have it right here. Patrick Latter is one of the Dogecoin developers, and this is just 4 hours ago. Just 4 hours ago. Edited 3 hours ago. Very recent news about the Rosetta API implementation of Dogecoin so that Dogecoin can be listed on Coinbase. So Patrick says, we are still working on the initial milestone to get a fully synchronized instance, and next milestone would be to have a full API compliance. API, by the way, if you're not part of the IT world, it's application programming interface. So think of this as just a bridge between Dogecoin and Coinbase exchange, right? So it's just like a bridge. In layman terms, that's all you need to know, all right? So what they're doing is they're developing this API, this bridge, so that when Dogecoin listed on Coinbase, it starts to trade itself. And Coinbase is going public tomorrow, guys. And this is what is all happening, right? And guess what? If Doge gets on Coinbase, massive exposure to Dogecoin for not only investors but institutional investors. It is the third most popular coin. Not bad. And guess what? If Elon Musk then jumps in and backs Dogecoin up, which he has been backing Dogecoin up since long. He likes this coin. And if he finds a use for Doge currency in his organizations, whether it's Tesla, whether it's Starlink, whether it's SpaceX, or whatever it is, he is going to take Dogecoin to the moon. And that's what he's talked about in his tweets all the time, right? All right, so let's get back to this update. So Patrick Latter, the Dogecoin developer, says we're still working on the initial milestone to get a fully synchronized instance. So instance, just like a virtual machine, or that's what he's working on. So that's the first milestone. And if that happens, the next milestone would have a full API compliance. So just two small, hopefully short milestones, guys. If these are met, Doge is on Coinbase, boom. That's it. That'll be the day. So, hey, I'm following it. I'm bringing this news to you guys right here on InvestDesk, latest as it comes, right? So, all right, let me get some comments. What's going on? Arthur Edwards, nice move, Doge. You bet. Thank you so much. I love Doge. Ugu Chua, thank you so much. Craig says, everyone do Syed a solid and share his video to your family and friends. Thank you, Craig, for your support. And yes, listen to Craig, guys. Share this video with family and friends. Thank you so much. The more people involved with crypto, the better. We are all deserving of financial freedom, and InvestDesk speaks his truth. Yes, that is absolutely correct. And thank you so much, Craig, for this comment. Appreciate it. And thank you for your support as always. I'm super humbled to have all of you here on this channel so you can make informed decisions with your crypto portfolio and, of course, the future of crypto space. I not only bring up the latest news, updates, and forecasts, but also we run technical analysis. We educate ourselves as well, slowly but surely. All right. Joseph is commenting. He's saying it seems like Robinhood just sold, what is it, 100 million, 1 billion, or whatever it is, 10 million. I don't know. I can't count these zeros. Anyways, Doge coming from that biggest wallet. If that's true, then they are the holder of that wallet. Yes, we've been talking about that. We've been always saying that Robinhood is the whale for Doge, and if he sold Doge, that's how it is. That's how it is. And this is pretty, the timing is pretty cool because Coinbase is going public. And check it out, Dogecoin has two small milestones to meet before they have full API compliance, guys, to be listed on Coinbase. And this is the Rosetta API implementation. And that's super exciting. So let me go ahead and read the developers' comments or the comment here again. We're still working on the initial milestone to get a fully synchronized instance, and next milestone will be to have full API compliance. Until both these milestones have been reached, everything is major, but it's not real issues, just work packages. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So, and that's really what we need. We need the Rosetta API implementation, and that may not be a full requirement from Coinbase. One of the requirements to make things easier and smoother for Dogecoin to be listed and get ready on Coinbase. Now, of course, it is still up to Coinbase as to when it allows Dogecoin to be active, right? Be actively traded. And I'm sure it'll come. It'll just, one day, someday, just like Dogecoin over 9 cents. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day. And you are here. All of you are making history by looking at Dogecoin going to the moon, of course, crossing 9 cents, and hopefully it's going to cross 10 cents. It should. That's what we're hoping, right? And it'll be super, super cool if it crossed 10 cents right here on this channel while you're here. So thank you so much for tuning in. By the way, if you're just new to this channel, please subscribe. Certainly appreciate it. And of course, smash that like button. I'm giving you the latest developer update news for the Rosetta API full compliance, so that hopefully Dogecoin will be listed on Coinbase. And Coinbase is going public tomorrow, guys, and that is, of course, yet still an awesome news. So that's the developer update as far as Dogecoin is concerned. Let me get you the chart back up. I have other news as well, so I want to show you the Dogecoin price. 9.3 cents. It is happening, guys. 9.3, 9.29 right here on TradingView. I don't know, this is crazy. Boom, 9.3 cents. This is so cool. I think it's gonna hit 10 cents right here, guys. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. And I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Should we start dancing at 10 cents? I don't know. Tell me in comments what's going on. All right, let's check some comments. All right, Doge at 9.3 cents. And remember 10 cents? Remember 10 cents, guys? A couple of months ago, we were thinking, well, it's never going to go to 10 cents. This is just a huge milestone, 10 cents. I know, I remember those comments back then. Everyone was saying, well, Syed, it's not going to go 10 cents. It's just going to be crazy. It's going to take a long time for Dogecoin to go to 10 cents, remember? And guess what? 2 months? Less than probably 2 months. 9.4 cents right now. That's awesome. That is just super, super crazy. So remember, guys, crypto is a crazy world. But we here at InvestDash always do our due diligence. We do our research. I bring you the data. I bring you the market conditions. I bring you the news. I bring you the forecast. And I bring you the technical analysis. And based on that, we make our decisions, right? So if you bought when I bought it and you've been buying the dips, just like you've seen every single week, I run the numbers, by the way, with you guys. Every single week, we run the numbers. And that is super, super cool. And Dogecoin is definitely, I think, to the moon. Yeah, 9.5 cents. 10 cents is going to hit, guys. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. You tell me. Welcome, Low Roller. Thanks so much, buddy, for tuning in. I see you here. Arthur, thanks so much. Patrick, awesome. Nice to have you. Michael, thanks so much. Harold, awesome. Thanks, guys. If you are new, by the way, please subscribe. Smash that like button, because Dogecoin is going to hit 10 cents right here on this very channel, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, and 9.5. I'm just looking at the chart and I'm going crazy. I'm going nuts. Look, check it out. 9.3 cents, 9.5 cents. How far are we from 10 cents? Low roller. I was only predicting 10 cents Dogecoin this year. Yes. No, not this year, buddy. Today. That's it. Less than 2 months. We're at 10 cents. I did not expect it to happen so quick. That's the comment by Low Roller. Yes, buddy. Today is the day. 9.5 cents. You're looking at it. So keep checking it out. 10 cents. It's going to happen, right? All right. So, Alan, welcome to Invest Desk. Thank you so much. You subscribed just now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. And welcome to our family. Welcome to the community. Invest Desk. We talk about research. We talk about latest updates, news, forecasts, technical analysis, market conditions every single day. So I'm streaming every single day. And thank you so much. This community is excellent. I'm super humbled to have all of you guys here on this channel. So thanks so much for subscribing, by the way. And of course, smash that like button. And more importantly, the bell notification. So every single time you get notified, guys. Thank you so much. Doge at 94. Yes, 9.2, 9.4 cents, 9.5 cents even. And we're going to stay here till it hit 10 cents. I'm going to get this zero out of the way. Yeah, we all are going to get this zero out of the way, guys. 10 cents. So if you're not bought earlier, I don't know. Coinbase is going public. So Coinbase is going public tomorrow. We looked at the developer update. Patrick Lauder, lead developer of Dogecoin. 2 milestones pretty much till we get full compliance for the Rosetta API so that Dogecoin becomes easier for Coinbase to move to the next step and have Dogecoin started to trade on Coinbase. And Coinbase, we just saw that it's an $8 billion worth company. They had just sales over 1.8 billion in just Q1. This is just crazy. So Era J21, welcome, buddy. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Hey, what's up, Syed? Are you going to sell off all your Doge or half at 10? Nah, I'm holding, guys. You know that. Every single day you see my portfolio here, I'm holding. All right. And this is the benefit of holding, by the way. You see it right here. So yeah, even if it goes to 10 cents, I think I'll still hold. But yeah, thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. Thanks for asking. And welcome, of course. All right. So Craig Andrus is asking, Syed, what's your favorite color? I want to make sure I order you the right Lambo. That's cute. Yeah, thanks so much, Craig. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not sure about Lambo, but yeah, that's pretty cool. It's just super exciting to see our research, our efforts, and the effort that I put in for you guys, so you guys can make informed decisions. I'm just super humbled, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And yeah, keep up with me. This is an awesome community that we're building and we're growing together. Hopefully we're growing together. I try to keep you guys up to date with all that is going on in the crypto world, even though it's just massively growing. So many altcoins, so many cryptos, so many areas. And of course I keep getting tons and tons of emails and messages every single day with different people reaching out. And yes, I try to come up with, of course, as much as I can, shortlist all these coins to bring you additional important use cases for coins, and that I think they are important. So I have shortlisted some of them, and I'll be bringing them as time progresses. But yeah, this is perfect, guys. Dogecoin is awesome. It's performing absolutely phenomenally well today, and hopefully it's going to continue this bull ride till 10 cents, and we want to be able to see that today. I want to be able to see it right now, right here on this channel. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But Coinbase is going public tomorrow, which is the big news today happening all across the crypto. And by the way, Bitcoin is over 62,000. I know last I checked, it was over 62,000. It's not bad at all. Ethereum was up. Everything is up. But we're looking at Doge, our Doge baby, right? That's cool. All right, so Era says, no problem. Keep up the great work, buddy. Yeah, I think I may keep most of mine for long term. Well, it's, of course, your own decision. But you ask me, I'm a big holder. I enjoy holding these crypto because if it goes to 10 cents, tomorrow or today or tomorrow or whenever, then guess what? I want to be able to see Dogecoin on Coinbase. I want to be able to see Dogecoin getting more adoptions, right? Use cases, adoptions in the entire world, because the more we transact in Dogecoin, the more it gets accepted, the more it gets listed on other huge exchanges, and be able to do that. And more importantly, if one of these institutional investors pick up on Dogecoin, just like they're creating these portfolios with Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's going to be more than $1. That's going to be more than, it's going to go to the moon. Yeah, it is. So, hey, keep that in mind. All this information, all this data, this is tangible information, guys. This is not speculation. So you can certainly verify on your own. And of course, I always encourage DYOR, do your own research. And of course, that's how it is. So G Wills, welcome, buddy. Thanks so much. Composer, welcome. Coot Supreme, welcome. Thanks so much. Shri, welcome. All right. So never a bad time to buy Doge. This is G Wills. Yes. I mean, I always buy the dips, right? So remember that for the last 2 months, if you looked at the portfolio that I share here with you guys every week, we crunch the numbers. You've seen that there's always those low averages, the average cost, the low and the highs, and of course the dips. It's always nice to see. And of course, my strategy has always been to buy the dips, and I have been also buying Dogecoin at all these low points, guys. So hey, today, check it out, 9.2 cents for Dogecoin. Now, like I always say, if it holds this price floor of 9 cents and above, the next pump, the next upswing will be 10 cents. And boom, we are going to hit our major milestone, guys. Not a year, not 6 months, just a few months, less than or about 2 months. How cool is that? Right? And we've been talking about Coinbase, by the way. If you go last week, check out my streams. I mentioned Coinbase last week. And by the way, if you were just joining here, check this out. If Dogecoin gets on Coinbase, in my humble opinion, this is just my personal opinion, Elon Musk is going to buy Dogecoin. I don't know, guys, but I said it earlier. I've been saying it. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but that's how it is. All right. Low Roller is asking, people buy Dogecoin all-time high in February. They're finally in profit zone at InvestDesk. Yes, and that's super exciting. And of course, it's always nice to see the positivity with Dogecoin, because it is a currency. It is one of those things where we just fall in love with Dogecoin. Well, I am in love. You know that, right? And you are too. But this is really the internet currency, and we like to see it as the internet currency. I want to be able to see Dogecoin everywhere I go, right? If I go to Starbucks, I want to pay in Dogecoin. I want to, that's how it is. This is exactly what Dogecoin has positioned itself over many, many years. 2013 is when Dogecoin started. So it's not a new coin. It's nothing new. It has been around for many, many years, guys. So this is super, super exciting. Yes, definitely nice. All Dogecoin holders are in profit. Absolutely. Congratulations. And hopefully it's going to maintain the 9 cent floor. And this is a huge motivation to even buy more, because we still believe we'll still see Dogecoin performing way better than just 9 cents. I mean, 9 cents, that's not even a price. I mean, that's like, and I've always been saying, by the way, check it out. Check out my last streams. Dogecoin is the most undervalued, in my humble opinion, also. So maybe it'll just cross, 10 cents, maybe even a quarter, 50 cents, or even $1. But yeah, and remember, we're now thinking that, hey, Doge is going to be at 10 cents perhaps, hopefully soon. And the next step would be, let's say, $1, and $1 maybe in 2 years. No. Wait, check it out. The way things are moving, the way crypto industry is just massively growing. When I say massively, check out this statistic. In February, the entire crypto industry was only 600 billion. In April, the entire crypto industry is over 2 trillion. And I'm waiting for the latest stats for May and moving forward in June. And we're going to see this industry is just absolutely growing. So check out the chart. This is our Dogecoin. at 9 cents, trying to stabilize at 9 cents. Of course, a little bit of pullback, not a problem, but as long as it stays and maintains 9 cents, that'd be so cool, right? That'd be awesome. And hopefully right from 9 cents, it's going to take another jump, just like it did for the last 3 days. It was at 6 cents, then it jumped to 7 cents. It stayed there for a little while, for a day or so, and boom, it's at 9 cents. And I would not be surprised that if it's 10 cents today. I'd actually like to see it, but I don't know. We'll see. But right now, it's, of course, a little bit of pullback, 9 cents, and hopefully goal is that it maintains its price floor at 9 cents. The highest it went today, by the way, was 9.5 cents. That's not bad at all. So 9.5 cents for Dogecoin. This is crazy. Unbelievable. I don't know. We never talked about it, of course, this soon, but hey, that's how it is. All right, so welcome guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new, by the way, please subscribe and smash that like button. That'd be good. Thank you so much. And of course, then thank you all for the support for Super Chat, Super Stickers, by the way. This is great. And hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time. There is a news update, forecast, technical analysis right here at your very own Invest Desk channel. All right, let me get some comments here. Amber, welcome. Did I hear Walmart was considering Doge, or am I crazy? Both are possible. No. I think you're fine. But yes, there are petitions going on, and I've been covering these petitions, by the way, last week in several live streams about Amazon. Possibly there's a petition going on there. There's Walmart. There's MasterCard, Visa are also considering stable coins, even though Visa just picked up USD coin to run on Ethereum network. But Dogecoin is certainly also one of the internet currencies, cryptocurrencies, where it is going for massive adoption. And yes, if Walmart considers Doge, to be transacted or buy things from Walmart and pay in Dogecoin, that'd be so crazy. That will be crazy. Yeah. No, only that part would be crazy, right? That part. Everything else is fine. All right. So thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. Buy as much as you can now. Later it will be late, guys. This is Buy Amazing. Comment Buy Amazing. Thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate it. Yes, we're with you on this. All right. What else? Let's see. Binance announced BNB has an upcoming burn. Wouldn't surprise me if it hits 1,000 by Friday and 2.5K by end of April. Yeah, BNB is also going like crazy. It's going nuts. I agree, Craig. Yes. Paul, welcome. Thanks so much. No offense to anyone, but 0.06 Doge dip would be just tickety boo. Yeah. Well, I don't know. But right now, all I know is Dogecoin is at 9.35 cents. Check it out, guys. I love these green candles. I want to be able to take it to 10 cents right here, right now, while I stream live right here with you guys, because we are going to be making history if it actually goes to 10 cents. So I waited much yesterday, by the way, on the live stream so Doge can hit 10 cents. But with all these news, and I'm going to show you these news here, by the way, quickly. So those of you who just joining right here, this is the dev update. This is the developers update for Dogecoin, and Patrick Lauder is the Dogecoin developer. Just a few hours ago, he says we're still working on the initial milestone to get a fully synchronized instance, and next milestone would be to have full API compliance. And the title here is the Rosetta API ready? Rosetta API, or the Rosetta Application Programming Interface, is like a bridge between Dogecoin and Coinbase. Coinbase is going public tomorrow, guys, and check it out. Just the timing of this. This is just so awesome with these dev folks. These are awesome guys. And hopefully with this full API compliance right here, full API compliance, once we comply fully to the sort of like the standards or one of the requirements, or it may not be the requirement, but it's just so that things move smoothly, and then Coinbase can finally list Dogecoin and actively trade it. So as far as the developers update is concerned, yes, 2 milestones, First is a fully synchronized instance, and of course the next would be to have a full application programming interface compliance. Until both these milestones have been reached, according to the Dogecoin developer here, everything is major, but it's not real issues, right? Just work packages. So not bad at all. The people working on it are all volunteers taking part in an initiative to empower the community. And Doge has 1.2 million, just on the Reddit itself, members. That's crazy. So the people working on it are all volunteers taking part in the initiative to empower the community. But to be honest, the overall attitude of the rest of the community seems closer to that of a bunch entitled trust fund kids than a supportive collaborative group of shibes that claim to do only good every day. Many concern. Yeah. We want to be able to do only good every day, right? That's Dogecoin for you guys. So this is the developer update right here for you guys. If you're joining right now, be sure to subscribe. That'd be so cool. Thank you so much. And smash that like button, guys, while you're here, because this is your #1 cryptocurrency channel, bringing you the latest updates, news, forecasts so that you can make informed decisions. So we gave you the developer update, of course, and let me get some comments here. What's going on? All right, 10 cents is the then. Yes, Coinbase IPO. Joseph is saying, US big. This will unlock Dogecoin and many others. You bet, and that's exactly right. I totally agree. Thank you for the insight, and thank you for writing this comment down, because if Dogecoin lists on Coinbase, guys, this is going to be crazy, because Coinbase is a huge crypto exchange. It is going to be regulated. It is going public. It is going to be under the Securities and Exchange Commission. What that means is institutional investors, I repeat, institutional investors, these large institutional investors like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Grayscale Partners, and others, right? They may end up creating portfolios that include Dogecoin for their customers. Check it out. That's how it is. That's how it's going to be. And that's what we're hoping it's going to be. And if that happens, this is going to be super crazy. Absolutely. All right, so thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, and of course smash that like button. That'd be so awesome. This is going to be super exciting. It is exciting to see Dogecoin. Let me check out the price, see where Dogecoin is at. Right now it's at 9.36. Here's the live chart. It's updating by the minute, and hopefully it's trying to stabilize at 9 cents, but we don't want it. We wanted to go up. We wanted to hit 10 cents, guys. We don't want another spike. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a big momentum moving forward with Dogecoin going up all the way to 10 cents right here as we live stream. I want to be able to make history with you guys right here on this channel as far as Dogecoin is concerned. And this is really cool to see Dogecoin for the last 5 days, right? From almost 6 cents, and just in a day or two, boom, 9.5, 9.3 cents. This is really Dogecoin, guys. Yes, I'm not looking at any other coin. I'm looking at Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is at 9.5 cents. It is going to the moon, and we want to be able to see it go to the moon. Yes. All right. So, Sri, welcome. Thanks so much. I will buy more. Yep, it's your own decision. Definitely. We always buy the dips. I've been buying since the last couple of months. And of course, I've been sharing the portfolio here on this very own, or your very own channel every week, every Saturday. And this is super exciting. Low Roller saying we want Dogecoin and PayPal. Yeah, thanks for the comment. Thanks. I was thinking about it. I was thinking I was missing something, but thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate it. So Dogecoin in PayPal. Well, Dogecoin already has Bitcoin. I covered that in one of the earlier streams. Bitcoin is already on PayPal, and of course, Ethereum is also on PayPal, right? So you can transact in Bitcoin or Ethereum and pay using PayPal. If Dogecoin also gets on PayPal, or Walmart or any other adoption use cases. This is, of course, this is going to be, and it is just coming. It is just coming. All right, so Doge Army is big and seriously strong. You bet, you bet. All right, Eldake, welcome, buddy. Thanks so much. Samuel, welcome. So if you're new, by the way, please subscribe, smash that like button. Welcome, Joey. Thanks so much. And of course, once you subscribe, smash that like button and the bell notification so you get notified. All right, so will Doge get to 10 cents today? I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. I wanted to get to 10 cents. And I think it will. It will. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But if it, the important part here, the challenge always here for Dogecoin is to be able to maintain a price floor. Now, if it maintains the 9-cent price floor, the next jump is definitely 10 cents. It is going to be 10 cents, right? Now, what's important or interesting is to see whether it does it now or does it tomorrow when Coinbase goes public. And of course, if Dogecoin gets listed on Coinbase, that will be even more super cool. All right. Doge is the future. This comment is by Samuel. Thanks so much. Doge is the future. It resolved the scalability problem that Bitcoin and ETH suffer. It is the perfect crypto for daily small payments. Yes, indeed. And that's what we see. We see the adoption of Dogecoin with companies all across the globe, perhaps more in the US. People are buying and selling in Dogecoin. They're accepting Dogecoin as the internet currency. And that is how it's actually designed. And this is the real use case of Dogecoin moving forward. All right, Joey, what are you saying? There's no low, there's no high, only Doge, buy, buy, buy. Yeah, thanks so much. That's like a song. Yeah, that's super cool. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, it makes sense. Let me say it again. There is no low, there is no high, only Doge, buy, buy, buy. Yeah, there you go. Thanks so much. All right, is Coinbase going to be on Robinhood? Well, Coinbase is already the exchange by itself, and Dogecoin is going to be on Coinbase, and Dogecoin is already on Robinhood. Dogecoin is blowing up right now. Yes, indeed. Thank you so much. It is at 9.2 cents. You are looking at a live chart, just a minute lag, 1 minute chart. That's what you guys are looking at. And I'm just waiting to see if it goes to 10 cents or not. I did show you the dev update right here. Let me bring it up if you're just joining in. This is the developer update for the Rosetta API. The question was, is the Rosetta API ready so that Dogecoin, or one of the requirements perhaps from Coinbase, and makes it easier for Dogecoin to be listed on Coinbase and traded, right? Actively start trading. So this is the update for the Dogecoin developer. It comes at a nice moment just a few hours ago. We see this update. And I also showed you the Coinbase IPO, the entire video, if you have not seen. If you want me to play this video again, by the way, this is on Yahoo Finance talking about Coinbase and the 2021 IPO market boom. So if you want to see this video, let me know in comments, but I played this early on. So if you want to see it again, this is a super cool video by Yahoo Finance talking about Coinbase, talking about Coinbase net worth, talking about what's happening with the entire crypto market. Just important video. So let me know if you want to be able to see this one more time. Let me know in comments. Otherwise, we're good, because we are going to we're looking at Dogecoin, of course, price, monitoring it. I'm doing it all the time for you guys. Every time there's something, breaking news, updates, or forecasts, then you are the first to know right here on this very own, or your very own channel, guys. All right, let's see. Let's go to Twitter, by the way. And for all of you here, if you go to @invest_desk, you'll find me here. So if you want to follow on Twitter, perfect. That'd be also super cool. I did post a video this morning also about altcoins going crazy. Go check it out. And of course, yesterday, Dogecoin SafeMoon breakout. So I've been since yesterday, we're closely following Dogecoin breakout, and this is actually happening today. All right, what I want to bring you here is I had something here I want to show you about the Dogecoin developer update. Well, this is happening right now. And where is it? Let's see if I can bring up Dogecoin. All right, so Dogecoin right here, awesome. And Dogecoin, of course, is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. It is the internet currency. They have a new website. I showed you that already last couple of days ago, a few days ago. They updated their website. They have their wallets updated. Everything's looking cool for Dogecoin. And this is, of course, awesome news for everybody. So Dogecoin developer, if I go to the Dogecoin developer Twitter page here, thank you, awesome community, and in particular EDSWF1 for updating Dogecoin.com website design. This is the new website. Together we grow and do only good every day. Yes, that's the deal. This is the new Dogecoin website. One Dogecoin is one Dogecoin. So of course they updated the wallets also. You can check it out for Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, whatever operating system you're using. You can of course take a look at their wallet. And what is Dogecoin? Check out this small video. This is awesome. This is the fun and friendly internet currency. That's right, guys. This is Dogecoin for you. So Dogecoin sets itself apart from other digital currencies with an amazing, vibrant community made up of friendly folks just like you. Yes, and Doge is our fun, friendly mascot. The Shiba Inu is a Japanese breed of dog. It is a hunter dog, by the way, that was popularized by an online meme and represents Dogecoin. All right, so yeah, let me check some comments here. If you want to see, please show us the video, Zeal. Yeah, it's not bad. It's only 4 or 5 minutes, so I think it's great. So yeah, I'll play it for you. Thanks so much. Chart is looking great. Yes, let me first look at the chart here, and then I'll play the video. 9 cents, and hopefully after the video is going to be even higher, right? So yeah, let me go ahead and play this video for you guys. Start over.
Public. Well, it is shaping up to be a...
Hang on. Let me reduce the music here a little bit. Perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead and play this for you guys. So check it out, guys.
Well, it is shaping up to be a very busy IPO week. The big one on deck, though, Coinbase going public this Wednesday through a direct listing. Let's bring in Duncan Davidson, Bullpen Capital founder and general partner. Duncan, a lot of IPOs to get through to, but let's talk about Coinbase first, because we were talking about this, Zach and I were talking about this earlier. This is kind of a bellwether, if you will, for how investor appetite is going to look when it comes to cryptocurrencies. How are you looking at this IPO shaping up, and what are the expectations?
It's going to be huge. Understand Coinbase is an anomaly. Although it's sort of a banking type of entity, it has become the Facebook or Google of crypto. It is so dominant. The question is, how did Goldman Sachs let this happen? Coinbase is an amazing opportunity. It's churning out lots of cash, which is why it's going out as a direct listing. It's a perfect direct listing candidate. It doesn't need to raise money. It's a cash engine right now.
Yeah, Duncan, I mean, you've been through this a few times, right? So when we talk about IPOs, whether or not it's an investor or bringing companies to market yourself, talk to me about what you've seen so far to start the year, because we saw a lot of companies come out the gates double on day one. Things not necessarily as hot in Q1, but now this week, I mean, there's a lot coming down the pike here this week. So, I mean, where are you putting the temperature check at right now and kind of reinvigorated demand here to kick off Q2?
Well, first of all, we have to recognize that SPACs have eaten the normal IPO market. They are a predominant factor in the market right now. And they slowed down a couple of weeks ago. There was a little bit of a chill in the SPAC market. And I don't know if you guys have reported on this yet, but the SEC stepped in late last week and is trying to make the SPAC process more like a normal IPO. I think this is good because, in a way, we're in a race with SPACs to either institutionalize them or have them blow up because of too much excess. And so the SEC stepping in is part of this process to make them more institutionalized. And I think the SPAC market is going to stabilize. It may have to digest the SEC comments, but I think it's going to get revved up again after people incorporate what the SEC is trying to do in this market. But I can go deeper if you'd like.
Well, to what extent do you think that just the scrutiny alone is likely to dampen the SPAC boom that we've seen over the last 4 months?
Well, there's an interesting part of SPACs, which is quite fascinating to me. Normally in an IPO, you can't do a projection. But in private markets, venture capital markets, companies make projections all the time, and we scrutinize them, and they're used to figure out whether the prospects of the company are really good or not. In SPAC world, because the SPAC IPO has no projections, it's a shell, there's no operations, it's not been an issue. But in the de-SPAC process, the process where you do a PIPE to raise private money and then merge the private company into the SPAC, in that situation, people have been putting projections in. And some of these SPACs are trading on 2024 and 2025 numbers. And sometimes you look at the numbers. I know one SPAC, which is doing $4 million in revenue, is predicting $400 million by 2025. Okay, maybe there's a little bit of exaggeration going on in some of these projections. So what the SEC is trying to do is force the company and the banks, in particular the banks, to scrutinize and rationalize these projections. And if you go overseas, other markets like the ASX in Australia, they allow the IPOs to do one-year projections, but the banks are held to a high standard of vetting those projections. And that's part of what's going on right now. I think this is good. I don't think this is a bad thing. You don't want this market to blow up. You want this market to be institutionalized, continue for a long time.
Yeah, Duncan, just to return back to Coinbase, it's kind of funny. We're talking so much about SPACs now. I remember chatting with you, back in 2019, chatting a lot about direct listings, when Slack went that route and whether or not that would be the new thing. But with Coinbase, I wonder how it might go for you, because we are still talking about maybe a $100 billion valuation there. We talk about that being a company that, of course, hits your kind of check boxes there as being a consumer-facing company that already has a lot of cachet. People know about it. But wonder what this one might do for direct listings in that trend, and also what it might say about just investor interest right now in some of these projects that are like that with quick growth. I mean, 9 times revenue growth after last year. It's pretty impressive.
Well, let's go back a little bit. The reason why I thought direct listings were interesting is that a lot of people in the venture world wanted to bring back the small IPO that we had in the 90s. And in our wisdom, we killed it off. The SPACs have become the preferred way to recreate what used to happen here. Rather than direct listings, they have actually been relatively few, and they haven't been the big phenomenon I'd hoped for. Coinbase, though, is such an interesting company. What people don't really, I think, understand about it is it's a banker's bank. It's a custodian for a lot of the holdings of crypto by big financial institutions and companies like Tesla and even MicroStrategy. And so by being a banker's bank, it's got a really deep and long-term base of people who park their crypto. That is an amazing position to be in. And I think the holders of crypto love Coinbase. It has huge cash flow on top of that. I think it's did $1.8 billion in Q1. And a lot of these future fintech companies are being valued at over 30 times revenue in the market. So if you do the math, last year's revenue, $3 billion times 30, this should be about a $90-100 billion market cap company, which sounds amazing, but the cash flow supports that viewpoint and the growth.
Yeah, well, we'll see where it ends up on Wednesday when they start trading. But Duncan Davidson, always love having you on, Bullpen Capital founder and general partner. Thanks again for the time.
All right, so there we go. I played it for you guys. Awesome. So they're talking about, of course, Coinbase, just, their sales 1.8 billion in just Q1. This is just massive. And also importantly, they talked about, of course, the SPACs, which is a special purpose acquisition company, guys. This is relatively new, and instead of going through the traditional IPO route, what companies are doing, they are forming these SPACs. And what that means is, and I think I've covered this in one of the earlier streams, but just briefly here for you guys, for your consumption. A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. What that means is just an empty shell company with no operations. It is formed by a bunch of investors. They put in money in the SPAC company, and that SPAC then goes out there and buys another company which is operating and which is, churning profits. And that's exactly what SPACs are. So it's a relatively easier route to going public. And SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and now are actually recognizing these SPACs and making it easier for them to go public. And that's exactly what we just heard on this talk. So, but what does this all have to do with Dogecoin? And we know this already. Coinbase going public. Dogecoin is working. Developers are working on the Rosetta API. 2 milestones I just shared with you. The dev update. They are going to, the first milestone is fully synchronized instance. The second milestone, of course, is the full API compliance to Coinbase. And once that's all done, Coinbase sees that. Coinbase allows Dogecoin to be traded freely as a public company itself. Coinbase getting public tomorrow. That's tomorrow, guys. Not too long ago. This time has come. And Dogecoin, of course, in future, once it gets listed on Coinbase, guess what? It's available to institutional investors, and you know the story, right? That's how it is. That's how it's going to go. It is right now at 9.2 cents, 9.1 cent, and went all the way up to 9.5 cents. I don't know if it's 10 cents today, but hopefully if Coinbase, tomorrow maybe 10 cents or maybe in the evening, but I will be on this. And of course, if it hits 10 cents, you'll be first to know. So yeah, if you just tune in, by the way, thanks so much for joining. By the way, Mr. Tarna, thanks so much. Ronald, Young, Edward, thanks so much, buddy. DB0, awesome. Nice to have you guys here. Lil Faye, thanks so much. All of you guys are awesome. Please subscribe. Smash that like button. And of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is something breaking news, that is. All right, so back to our little bit of music here. Awesome. There we go. So we're looking at this live chart. This is a 1 minute delay right on TradingView. And of course, the price is now consolidating itself at 9.2 cents or about 9 cents. And that's pretty cool. As long as it does it, it creates a new price floor. And I keep iterating this. And this is cool because that means that after the little pullback, after the consolidation, after the price moving sideways, whatever you want to call it, it is going to go to the next breakout. And that would be definitely 10 cents because we are not that far away, guys. We're almost there. We're almost to our milestone or one of the milestones, right? Many more to come. But definitely 10 cents is now all of a sudden reachable. It is reachable, guys. You see it right here. This is the chart. And this is super, super exciting. And by the way, make sure you say hello to my Shiba Inu. That's wherever it is, right? This guy is right here. Right behind me, this is my Shiba Inu, right? So those of you who are just joining, please subscribe. Thanks so much for being on this channel, your very own Invest Desk channel. And of course, thank you again for your support for this channel in terms of super chat and super stickers. And I wanted to bring you this breaking news, the developer updates, the Coinbase IPO going tomorrow, and of course, the impact it has on Dogecoin and the crypto in general. We know Bitcoin is over 62,000. Ethereum is also nearing 22. So not bad at all. Not bad. All right. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is an update. What else? I want to show you a couple of more news while I'm here. Let's see. I have it here, and this is the Dogecoin Reddit community, 1.2 million members and just ever growing, as strong as possible. And of course, the latest is now it's time you to take it to 9 cents. It is already at 9 cents, guys. It is already at 9 cents. It is way past 9 cents, 9.2, hopefully even higher than that. When Dogecoin hit 10 cents this month, not even this month, this is Today is just April 13th, guys. This is Tuesday. This is just today. It's going to hit 10 cents, hopefully, maybe by tomorrow. And that's exactly what it is. We are going to have a standing ovation for Dogecoin, just like what you see here. So this is super, super cool and to the moon, guys. That's how it is. Who was there during the dark times? Yeah, there was a time when the price was 0.03 for Dogecoin, way, way earlier, and we were there. Yes, InvestDesk channel was there. We invested around 0.04, 4-ish something, right? I remember that was a couple of months ago. And I share my portfolio, but 10 cents in April is, wow, this is crazy. It was 6 cents a couple of days ago, went to 7 cents, and all of a sudden is now at 9 cents. So, not bad at all. In Australia, by the way, they have crossed 10 cents in AUD, which is Australian dollars. So there you go. You see the screenshot here. So congratulations if you are in Australia, but we are in the US, and here we are looking at Dogecoin right now at 9.3, and seems like I like these green candles going up. There's another momentum of buying Dogecoin, and yes, of course, buying is always good. Doge is not going to stop at 10 cents, guys. It's going to go to $1. And that's important to recognize because of the pattern. We've been, I've been streaming Dogecoin every single day for a little over 2 months now, right? And our community is growing massively, and this is absolutely phenomenal. And based on our squeeze momentum indicator right here on the, down here, you see that? I've demonstrated how to set this up. Go check out my video on this momentum indicator, even though it's used for day trading primarily, but I set it up here because I use it for my other portfolios. But the next momentum is, of course, for Dogecoin to be at, it's right now it's at 9 cents. See the price moving sideways? You see it right here. That is about at 9 cent mark on average. 9.2, 9.1, 9. So if it maintains this floor, if Dogecoin maintains this floor, let me tell you guys, tomorrow or maybe later in the day, I don't know when, but it is definitely going to 10 cents. So I think I'm going to run to the market or some shop, and I'm going to buy myself the party hat, because that's what we're going to wear when it goes to 10 cents. And that's the idea. All right, let me get some comments here. So these are the updates I have. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. And you guys are awesome, awesome, awesome. Make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button while you guys here. And, of course, the bell notification. This is also very, very cool. All right. So Ronald, Charlie, welcome, guys. Lou, welcome. If you're just tuning in, thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe and smash the like button. Let me get some comments. Charlie saying Doge equals do green every day. Yes. Do good every day, do green every day. Either way, yes, it's all good. Ronald is saying, yes, 10 cents should be the base. Let's go. You bet. You bet. Right now, I'm talking about 9 cents as the price for, guys. But hey, you're even better. That's awesome. Thanks so much for the comment. Yeah, I just thought about it. 10 cents should be the base. It should hit 10 cents, and it should maintain that price floor. That would be super, super cool. And this is super, super exciting because you are now looking at Dogecoin live chart, 1 minute chart. Price is at 9.1 cent, and of course it is sort of like moving sideways. It's consolidating, a little bit of pullback from this upswing that we had early this afternoon, and that's super exciting. And I also showed you the dev update. So if you're just tuning in, there's the developer update for Dogecoin regarding the Rosetta API implementation to Coinbase, guys. And they're still, of course, working on the initial milestone to get a fully synchronized instance. And the next milestone will be to have a full API compliance. Either way, Dogecoin is going to be on Coinbase. It is going to be everywhere. It is already growing like crazy. Walmart, maybe. I don't know. Amazon, maybe. I don't know. That's how it is. That's Dogecoin. It is the internet currency. And that's exactly what we would like it to be. It has a new website, by the way. If you have not seen Dogecoin.com, the developers have updated the website. They've created a new site, which is pretty cool. So it's a pretty decent. 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Elon Musk, of course, also is behind Dogecoin. He just tweeted a couple of days ago. But really, Dogecoin by itself has now started to, take some pretty deep roots in terms of the crypto industry. It's pretty popular, and which is really, really exciting. So let me see if I can show you the rest of the cryptos and see how they're going. So this is CoinMarketCap, by the way. Bitcoin, $63,000 and cross 63. I don't know what to say. I don't know, man. This is crazy. Ethereum at almost 2,300. I know I bought it at, I don't know, last I bought it at was 1,800 something. I don't know, 2,300, almost 2,293 Ethereum. BNB coin, 557. Not bad. That's doing pretty well. XRP is also getting huge momentum. And I know Low Roller, one of the comments, you were talking about XRP. Yeah, it's definitely doing pretty well. Not bad. I'll have to look deeper into XRP. Let's take a look at Cardano. 1.41. It was at 1.2, 1.1. Check it out, guys. Cardano is also skyrocketing. Polkadot also pretty much stabilizing. Uniswap is grown. Litecoin, Stellar, Chainlink, all of these Theta networks. And here's our Dogecoin at number 14 at 9.2 cents, guys. Not bad. Check out the chart. I like this. Not bad at all. And this is how the crypto market is. This is the crazy, crazy crypto world. And that's what I keep, telling you guys. Crypto is a crazy, crazy, crazy world. And that's how it is. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. And thanks, Cameron, by the way, for the comment. I just saw it. Hit that like button, guys. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. And, of course, the bell notification while you're here. We're looking at Dogecoin, of course, going to 10 cents, hopefully, later in the day, maybe tomorrow, maybe right now. We don't know, but we'll take the 9 cents. We'll take whatever Doge offers. It's awesome. It is super, super exciting. Charlie's asking, what will you wear at the 1 cent, at the $1? Not 1 cent. What will you wear at the $1? I don't know. That's a good question. Yeah. I'll have to think about it, Charlie. I have to think about it. Maybe nothing. No, I'm just kidding. I'll think about it. I'll come up with something. I'll come up with this Dogecoin suit or something. I don't know. I'll think about it. But that's a good question. Yeah. Thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate it. All right. You have to own a massive amount of Doge in order to make good money. This is a comment by Lou Primo. Yeah, but this is look at the price of Dogecoin, guys. It was at 4 cents. It was at 3 cents a couple of months ago. It's cheap. It's not even $1, right? So, hey, if you bought it early on, definitely you'll probably buy in thousands and thousands, right? I don't know, but it depends on your own investment portfolio or your budgets, right? That's how it works. All right, so SafeMoon, be careful. Is SafeMoon ready for breakout or pullback? Yes, SafeMoon is also part of our portfolio right here at InvestDesk, and I'm going to be, of course, talking about SafeMoon. Also, I don't know what the price right now is, but while you guys are asking, might as well, because it is part of our portfolio. Let me see if I can pull this up here at CoinMarketCap and see where it's at. It's at 8.1. So it was at 6.7, so it's back at 8.1. I don't know. It's just low right now. But, of course, we want to be able to see if we can remove one of these zeros, hopefully just like we did last week or last few days. So we'll see how it goes and what they're doing. They have some exciting updates coming out with their new SafeMoon exchange and whatnot. But I'll cover this in the next stream, guys. But right now we're looking at Dogecoin. Let me see where we're at in terms of our chart. So, yes, it is stabilizing. The price is sideways at 9 cents. And I think it's going to probably continue to stabilize and, of course, then have another breakthrough. So I'm going to be on this chart. I'm going to bring you the next breakthrough as soon as it hits. And that's the idea, just like I did today. All right, guys. So I got to run. And, of course, thank you so much for being on this channel right now. I got a few things I need to do this afternoon. And I'll be back with the next stream. Where am I? Let me bring myself back up here. There it is. Awesome. So thanks for being here with Dogecoin. Going to the moon, of course. This guy right here. And all of us super excited. Thank you so much. We're seeing the next Doge breakout to 9 cents. Believe it or not, it's 9 cents, guys. Yes, it's real. I don't know. Should I sell or not? No, I don't know. I'm holding. All right. So I want to see it 10 cents. I want to even go past 10 cents. I want to see it $1. And that's the idea, because the adoption of Dogecoin within the crypto industry, with Coinbase going public, with the developer update that I shared, that these developers are pretty close. They're working diligently on getting the Rosetta API implemented. First, they want to be able to, in the first milestone is the full synchronization of the instance. The second milestone, of course, will be the full API implementation. And of course, it is up to Coinbase guys when they allow Dogecoin to be actively trading. And this is going to be super, super exciting. So thanks so much for being here. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. If you see it here somewhere, yeah, please smash it. And the bell notification so you get notified. So Dogecoin to the moon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon. If you're in the US or wherever you are in the world, I'll be back with the next update as soon as there is a new breakout. So thanks so much. I will see you guys later. Have yourself a good day, and thanks so much. And by the way, thank you and love you for your support for Invest Desk. This is super, super cool. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you.